In the chaos of the battlefield, hundreds of bullets tear through the air. And yet, suddenly, the squad's lifeline falls silent. Why does a machine designed for continuous fire stop in an instant? As the squad waits, tension mounts. Every second counts. To understand what went wrong, we need to look closer at how this machine works, starting with how it's loaded. Carefully threading the ammunition belt into the feed tray, every move is precise. A small slip threatens to disrupt the rhythm, but the mission presses on. Next, the charging handle is pulled back, cocking the weapon and positioning the first round. This action also compresses the recoil spring, which will drive the bolt forward. When the trigger is pulled, the sear releases the bolt, which is driven forward by the recoil spring. The bolt strips a round from the belt, feeding it into the chamber. The firing pin then strikes the primer, igniting the propellant inside the cartridge. This explosion propels the bullet forward, down the barrel, and towards the target. Meanwhile, the expanding gases push the bolt back, ejecting the spent casing and preparing the next round. This cycle repeats as long as the trigger is held. The bolt carrier group moves within the receiver, guided by the recoil spring and buffer assembly. The feed tray falters, disrupting the seamless flow of ammunition from belt to chamber, a heartbeat away from combat readiness. A misaligned ammunition belt is a pretty common thing. This simple problem can halt the firing process, but it doesn't take long to fix it. First, open the feed tray cover and check the alignment of the belt. Ensure the rounds are properly positioned and the links are seated correctly. Once the belt is aligned, close the cover and pull the charging handle to recock the weapon. This resets the firing sequence, readying the gun for action. The gas system, located under the barrel, diverts a portion of the propellant gases to cycle the action. The gas regulator controls the amount of gas used, ensuring consistent operation. To protect its users from potential danger and reduce the number of mishaps, the M240 is equipped with a manual safety lever, which physically blocks the trigger mechanism. It's better to always engage the safety when not in use, to prevent accidental discharge. Additionally, the robust construction and design of the M240 include features to minimize the risk of cook-offs, ensuring the weapon remains safe during extended use. With the M240 back in action, the relentless rhythm of combat resumes. The weapon, restored to its full potency, thunders once more with each pull of the trigger. Rounds fly true, answering the enemy's advance with unwavering precision. Amidst the chaos, the squad finds renewed confidence, knowing their firepower is once again at peak performance, driving them forward towards victory. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the technology that powers fearless defense forces. Subscribe to be the first one to see our new videos.